go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My God told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go the day you need me. So bitch, put me on that nigga, get the bus.
Okay. So this is like a little blog or whatever. So we about to just take the kids to the park, you know, stuff like that. But anyway, so but you about to go to the car? Okay. I just gotta put on my shoe. Yeah.
Our first
little vlog.
Yeah. I could have sworn I thought you said vlog.
No,
I was waiting to come in.
You be waiting.
I was waiting to come in here and get you.
Look, she be thirsty. Thirsty to catch a nigga up.
Hurry up.
I'm about to. I just gotta change my shirt.
You always say you about to.
Okay, I just gotta change my shirt.
You're about to. You're about to. It's like 30
Come on, I'm
hours
not,
later.
okay. It is not no 30 minutes later. 30 hours later. You just over exaggerated. Okay, so I'm about to change my shirt and my shorts because I was gonna wear these so we could play basketball. But I'm not.
Okay, and I feel like me just sitting here is gonna make you feel like you could take your time. So me and the kids about to go to the car. Hopefully that hint. I need to hurry up. They sitting outside this hot.
All right. Give me like 10 minutes.
Bro,
Okay, not 10 minutes. Give me like 8.
What's the difference? You need that much time. All you gotta do is switch your shirt and stuff.
You making me waste time.
Bro, you could be doing it while
okay, but you sitting here talking to me.
I gotta make sure.
Okay. I love you too. She think we about to just be vlogging. No. I want to do the Ratchet prank. So, therefore, why not be Ratchet? So, let me tell y'all. So, she hates when my alter ego comes out, which is Kim Keisha. So, everybody know Kim Keisha. Loud, ratchet, ghetto, don't care, period. So, she hate when cause I normally, like this I normally come out when I'm mad. So, or if I'm with my ratchet friends. So, but anyway, she hate when that side come out. So, I'm about to do the Ratchet prank on her. So, I'm gonna be back. I'm about to put my clothes on and then I'm gonna come back in. Boop. All right. So, I'll call you. Huh?
My keys to lock the doors on the stand.
Okay. Okay. So, she just scared the fuck out of me. Okay. So, I'm about to put my clothes on and then I'll be right back. Okay.
Probably not. Waiting on your mama to come out. She taking all that. She always the last one out. Right? Your mama need to come home.
You like people. Well, we're gonna put it
So
back on her.
First little vlog together.
I want that to get a
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Maybe moving to a lot.
What the?
Girl, get out my face. Why you in my face? Move.
Bro.
Period. Period, Paul.
Okay, so you what is that?
What is what? Close my door.
Babe. What are you doing? Why do you Bro, what is this?
You know I'm fresh, so I got to keep my baby powder on deck, honey. Period.
Bro, I ain't heard nobody using baby powder since the early.
Don't try to worry about what I'm doing.
Why are you so loud?
Mama, look at me.
Your mama fine, ain't she? Period.
Huh. Somebody was like this at work or something?
Okay, so I decided that we was gonna do a vlog today. And me and the kids already started, and you just came in here and just threw the whole thing.
We can vlog.
Bruh,
Period.
Not at all. Like, bro,
Period.
and then,
Sexy boss. Cause I'm bossy. Period.
bro, get out the camera. Like, that.
Sit back. Put on y'all seatbelts.
Oh, so you care about seatbelts, but you.
Why?
Why are you so loud?
Why you sounding like that?
Why y'all looking like that?
Cause you acting like you.
Y'all ain't matching my energy. I'm sick of this.
Matching your energy. I don't think nobody will want to match. Bruh, you
Look at here.
Can you please watch where you going? Because ratchet people just don't watch where they going.
Mama,
Period.
Mama, look. You look cute, but you got a lot fancy now.
Okay, look cute. That's
Period.
Come on, why, bro?
Your
we're-
mama's cute.
no,
Period.
We're not. I'm about to turn this camera on, bro.
But I'm confused and I'm freaking out right now.
Right, because we all
Why
sitting
you
here.
dressing up like fancy nails?
That's not fancy, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna have to.
This is fancy. This is classy, bougie, and ratchet.
Exactly, and I didn't hear fancy and none of that.
Fancy had a baby.
Where did you even get this from? Like
Look here, don't touch my $600.
$600, bruh. That feel
My
like straight-
Remy.
That feel like straight synthetic, bruh. What are you talking?
Don't try to come for me now. Is you gonna get my nails done?
What?
Cause you know mama needs. No.
Paint your nails.
Swear, cause you came out looking like you could just paint your nails. You don't deserve to go to a nail shop looking like that,
Look at here.
bruh. That's in-house job. You come out looking like
Look
that.
at here.
You deserve an in.
Tell them, baby, Kim Keisha, baby, is the fattest thing in earth, honey. Trying to tell you.
Mama,
This is classy, honey. Class Keisha.
your hair messed up.
Bruh, your hair is messed up. Your forehead messed up.
Bruh.
Your edges is too. I'm glad you knew.
I got edges, honey.
You ain't got no edges.
edges.
Okay, just stop talking to me now. You're doing it too much now.
Man, are you serious?
What?
Don't dress up
Why
like
do you look like that?
Don't dress up
I look thin on her.
Don't dress up like this again.
I look good. On my mama. On my hood. I look fly. I look good. Check my swag. Wish they could. Period.
This time I'm not saying boo.
Girl, permanently, it's always a period poo, honey.
Can you start breaking, please?
I'm breaking.
Ratchet.
Don't worry about what I'm doing. I'm breaking.
I'm going to wear it because we're all in the car together.
Girl, you fine. You still alive. You ain't gone.
Okay.
Oh Lord Jesus, let me.
Okay. Mama,
Y'all old mama had to go.
what?
She wasn't taking care of y'all.
Yes, she was.
No, she wasn't.
Okay. Whoever teaches you this, but they need to stop. Because that doesn't make it work.
Look at here. Do y'all want to go to the park?
Yes.
Okay. Then y'all
Okay,
gotta stop
but-
talking to me like y'all crazy before I check y'all for real.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was like me? Don't y'all?
Now you turning my kid into, like, bro, no.
Girl, she is fun, honey.
You need to stay right here, brother.
What?
She didn't make you turn into her like her. So you can grow up and act
Like for real.
whatever she doing. Look at the book.
Look here.
Oh.
Can never amount to this beauty right here.
Beauty?
this beauty.
From this
So
You the beast.
from
I'm the beauty and you the beast.
She's not no beast.
And that's the beast stats.
She's not no beast. She's a
Beyonce. That's what I'm saying. You tend to forget. Bro, you not even speaking proper grammar right now. Like,
You need to speak normal in your normal.
right.
What you
like,
talking about?
I like bougie.
You don't want me to be
And
blue.
why you got on all that lip gloss?
Because my lip gloss be popping. My lip gloss
Wow.
be cool. All the girls, they see me. They chase me after school.
Wow. So you love mama now.
Nah, I'm Big Mama.
Wow.
Period.
Game's over, bro. Like, seriously.
Girl, this
You're
is
not
how,
doing grandma
this is
things.
what you gotta. Oh,
Wow. What?
sorry, y'all.
This is what I'm bro.
Look here. I forgot. Look, y'all throwing me off. I just need y'all to hush. Period.
Okay, this not finna work. I hope we ain't going nowhere. You gotta get out. If you gotta get out, we'll get out.
Girl, I'm fly. You don't want all these people to see all this flyness? You crazy. You gonna get my hair done?
I mean,
I need that done. I need
you do.
I need a waxing.
a wax or what?
You know, I need to get my eyebrows arched.
You don't even got none.
I do got some. Don't do me now. Like I told you about doing that now. Like we're trying to show out for them people. Like you doing too much for these dang on kids now. You chill out now, cause you know you don't do this.
You don't do this.
Look at here.
Why are you?
When I get cute for you, you act like you don't like it. So what's the problem?
That's not getting cute for me. This is not your cute for me.
Girl, this is fine as motherfucking wine. This is fine as wine gonna ever be. This look tasty.
Mama, you acted too crazy now. You take it too far.
Look at here. I'm gonna take you for. You wanna go there? Oh, okay. Period! What a music.
What are you doing? Ain't you loud enough? What you need music for?
Look here, you know what? I am not about to deal with this.
Did you even lock the door? Where
I did. I got this.
You got a lot of things.
Look here. And you is one. Period.
Hey, shut up for a second.
I caught you like this. So what are you talking about?
No, you did
What
not.
you mad for?
Can you stop easing up until they take off, please?
Look, is you want to drive? Cause I'll be happy to see my
Wow.
cute, sexy, fine butt over there in that chair, over there in that seat.
Chair seat.
That seat is both the same.
You doing too much, man.
They both the same.
You doing too much.
No, y'all need to stop now. All that hating now.
You're not hating.
You is hating.
Not at all. Like,
You're not even
You hating so. Ooh, I just can't deal with your hatingness.
Love you.
do you even know what?
I think I want some chicken.
Right.
I think I'm gonna take some chicken.
Chicken to match your personality, right?
What you mean, my personality?
Your
Cause
personality.
I'm that good, huh?
We love you, but you can't just sound like this.
Let me tell you something. You back there, you doing a little bit too much talking for you to be in the back seat. So I'm gonna need for you to like, shh, real quick. Period.
Can you stop flipping that baby doll hair?
Look here, you could have tucked it for me. Like you just.
First
So
off,
when we had
why
this
are you
wedding,
not-
like you gonna be acting like that,
if you look like that, yeah.
girl? Oh, you mean fine? You want me to look down?
That's a downer right now.
This is an upper. This is an upper, like, you know, them pills and stuff.
Bro, that hair is so nappy and bro, like that just feel what?
Why you pulling my real hair? Now you doing too much now. Show. Kim, you know Kim Keisha don't like that now. Stop doing that. Kim Keisha. Period.
Mama, your hair
Kim
is
Keisha?
black.
Right. And who is Kim Keisha?
And black and
Don't act like you don't know her.
black and brown look like
You doing too much. I told you stop doing that.
Keep your hand on my face. Why you?
This is how you start talking.
Don't ever get with nobody ratchet, y'all.
Okay. I'm not
Get one of them like your mama, y'all. Wow.
I'm like,
okay, I really just get on my girlfriend. She not dressing up like you.
right.
You right, because your mama's a one-of-a-kind person.
When we get up here, can you please, like,
This is a one-of-a-kind
when we
dog.
get up here, can you please show some type of
It was at this moment
respect
that
for
he knew
yourself and for us,
he
please?
f***ed up.
Like this. Can
Did
I-
you?
Like this. Can I please get a
Who is she talking to?
Stop swinging that whoop
Girl,
hair.
period.
Can you stop swinging that whoop hair?
Look at here.
You look like a singer that just had an emotional breakdown. Bro, you
Girl.
all types of messed up right now. Like, I'm really not believing that you just came out the house
I'm
like
a
that.
whole makeup artist. What you talking about? Period.
You a makeup artist?
I'm a makeup artist that don't need to make up. Period.
You got a lot of making up to do. Do you not see how you came out the house, bro?
Baby.
Don't call me
You
that.
you love me the way I am.
Okay, and when I said that, you took that way too
Period.
far because now you.
Well, look at here. You're going to have to get used to it because this is your new wife. This is your new life. New wife, new life. Get with it. You know how many people would love to be in a relationship where they want man get cute for them, do the most, cook, all that. But you just so, oh Jesus, you so ungrateful.
If I was my girlfriend,
How do you,
if
oh
I was
Lord.
my girlfriend, you would dress up like that. I would dress
Girl, this is like the cutest thing ever, baby. You gotta make sure your girlfriend's cute like your mama. Period.
I'm not making her cute like you.
Let me tell y'all something. Pause. Let me break it down for y'all. I asked y'all to stop being bad. They ain't gonna stop y'all from being bad. So you can't stop me or ask me to stop being so damn beautiful. You cannot. When you this fine,
You're beautiful the way you are. You just keep going too far. Look, Mom.
look at that name. Look at that little baby. Your mama was like this, baby, before you was even born. You feel me? Let me tell you. Before you was even thought of, this person was always here. This beauty, this masterpiece of God's
I'm not having
gifted hands.
I'm not having my girlfriend like you.
Look here. Your girlfriend can't be like me. You wanna know why? Because she ain't dying. She ain't dying.
I mean, if you looking like that, I could have just came out the house looking like anything if I would have known that's what we was on.
You fine. I hooked you up.
But how you hook me up and you come out the house looking like you?
What you talk? Look. I'm tired of you doing that. Like, you doing too much. Pipe it down. For real. We're gonna get this money. Let me come on. I want my chicken.
Okay, please turn the music on, please. Can somebody please turn the music on?
What's that?
Can somebody please turn the music on?
No. I want you to Hirsch. Hirsch. Come on. I got all day.
Man, you like playing right now?
No. What am I playing for? You asked me to get dressed up for this vlog. So I did. What's the problem? Well, that's what I be talking about. When I do what you say, it's an issue. When I don't do what you say, it's an issue. I'm trying to make you happy. And I'd have made you happy this whole time now. You gotta make me happy. Okay. What I want you to do is, hold on, my real hair is in my eye. Girl. What you say?
I ain't saying nothing, because that's a whole wig.
Look at her. Look at here, son. Let me tell you.
What do you got?
What I've been having on was a wig, honey. This is your mama's real life. So,
This is the whole wig. I saw it. I saw it in the whole.
okay, hush, hush. You're talking, boy. Hush.
Can you get up?
I'm gonna drop down to the grandma's house.
Can you get the stuff, please, so we ain't gotta be waiting?
Get what ready? Oh.
The stuff. We'll go get them.
They getting something too? Oh, okay.
Then I have to say that because
Y'all want some fries?
I want fries and chicken.
Yeah.
You want too much.
There's only 2 things.
Great.
Mm.
So that's how I get full.
Alright, we getting the 10 piece.
You want suckers? I mean, you want my sucker?
No, I don't.
It's coronavirus.
You are Corona.
I'm gonna corona.
I'm shaped like a Corona. Bottle, baby. Period.
Okay, nobody mess with her. This don't mess with her.
What are you doing?
No, nasty.
So you.
Did you get it?
I want to be that dressing up like this, and I would throw that sucker out the window. I'm not making nothing better. She can't be
What are you gonna
looking
take?
at
You got $1?
No.
You ain't got $1?
No.
I brought your wallet. Because I felt like you was leaving it.
Okay.
I didn't need it.
You know what? Thank you would have been a nice. That's it. That's all you gotta say was thank you. You're just doing too much. Goodness gracious. That's why I don't take y'all nowhere out in public.
Are you sure?
Hello?
Oh,
We good? No, we was gonna place an order.
Oh my god, bro, can you not?
What do I want?
Can you not do this? Get the 10 piece wings and fries.
Can I? Oh. You done?
10 wings and fries.
Can I get 10 wings and fries?
And a 6 piece half wing.
And a 6-piece half wing. Who can I send?
Me.
So you want 4? Can I get 6? Or you want 5 or
No,
5?
I'll eat chicken like
Can
that.
I get 4 chicken?
Yeah, that's it. I don't think we got no $1. Oh, for real. I like y'all. 2013. Mm-hmm. He like us, girl. I think it's a no look.
Wow.
The period.
Hey, I asked you not to do that when we got up here.
Stop acting like you embarrassing me. For real. Told you quit acting like that. You want to act all embarrassing stuff. This is what you gotta look forward to on a honeymoon.
You not.
Sure.
You not.
Girl, my hair gonna be lace like this, honey. I think I might wear this look tomorrow to work, honey. Period. Snap them bras in order. Period. Yep. Thank you. You're welcome. He like her. That little boy cute. Ooh, I like that blue. You want to park? You want to back in right here? Or park, pull in. So we can
Just pull somewhere so we can wait on this food, please.
You talked to Johnny today?
Who is Johnny?
Girl, now you really acting up like.
No, who is Johnny?
Johnny saw you fixing the car.
Nigga, we never.
That man from the ding on store. What's it called?
Ooh,
That's me right there.
not looking like that. You walk up in the car.
I need that.
You walk up
I need that so my drug talk could be down.
You walk up in the
And my hair.
dealership. You walk up in the dealership talking about some. You want that right there. I guarantee you ain't gonna get. Don't worry about it. Just gonna close it. Don't worry about it.
Give me my card.
Get the charger.
That's my bank card. I just paid cash for that. Wop!
Mama, what's wrong? Do you need to
What?
go to the hospital?
Wop, wop, wop!
Mama, do you need to go to the hospital?
Mop! Don't stop! Wop, wop! Period.
She's making a car jiggle. Like up and down, up and down, up and down.
Don't show wish your girlfriend was hot and fresh like me. Ow.
Now she over.
Yes, let me. Where's my phone?
Mommy, my life needs a doctor appointment.
I wanted to talk to you about something important, but I don't feel like the person I'll be talking to right now is mature enough or even.
Who that? Who that? I ain't going outside today.
You shouldn't have came outside today.
You trying it. You
No,
really
you
trying it. Keep talking to me like that, you won't be eating no dinner. Told you, you don't disrespect me.
You came out the house looking like that. What you think that was? And then you sucking on that sucker, bruh. It probably ain't even as good as you making it seem, bruh.
First of all, it's watermelon.
What does that
So,
mean?
Watermelon is good.
And why are you even making that sound?
Because you look like that.
I guarantee.
Stop it
Let me
up.
tell you something.
Why would you, bruh?
Thank you.
Wop, wop. I'm sick of just trying to tell me how to live. Hoes hating to know about my pictures on the ground. That's what I'm talking about.
So are we being serious right now?
What?
Why did you come out the house looking like that?
Girl, on my bad beast status, honey. Look at her. Look at here. I'm going to your school like this. So you better get used to it.
I guarantee you not.
You can't tell me where to go.
I guarantee you.
You can't
not.
tell me where to go. Can't tell me what to do. You gonna mind your business.
Okay, so this why I do not like Ratchet.
To me.
You feel like you could talk to me like that now and talking about I can't tell you what to do or where to go or whatever. Like what it that
Cause
shit, dude. Like, are you serious?
it is not shedding. My hair do not shed. She trying it. Maybe it was better when we were just best friends. Don't play around with love under the love spell. I'm delicate. Oh. You need to be touched well. Girl, watch my car. Okay now. No, you can't see over stern word. I'm ready for my chicken. We want the chicken and fries. I want that chicken and fries. I want that chicken. Hey, I want that chicken. Hey, I want that chicken. Hey, hey, hey. Period. She knows. She knows. Girl, when I say, when somebody over there arguing, my head hurt because you talking. I done said shh like 10 times. There go my car. What's I'm saying? Just tell me that touch is done. I just want to go back home. If you gonna act like this, I like what? Like the bad chick you married? Can you get my nails done?
I told you. Paint them.
No. You know what? Don't worry about it.
I'm not.
I'll ask Jessica. Like, Jessica, look, girl, let me get the discount, honey. You know I got that EBT on deck, honey. She be looking my nails up for the EBT, girl. Let me tell you. Baby, remember when that last time I got them new nails? Them Nipsey Hustle nails? Then the other time I had got that Mickey Mouse, the Looney Tunes. Yeah, she did it for them food stamps. Let me tell y'all gotta go to my girl. She hooks nails up, period. I ain't get my stamps yet, so I ain't even got a girl ain't got you know, can't go see her right now because she ain't got them amps on deck. You feel me? Can't meet a bad chick like me. Hey,
You bad, but can't get your nails done. Doing bad, more like it.
girl, I'm been bad.
Doing bad.
Ever since 1990, baby. It's a 90 thing. All them 90s babies do it.
I'm glad
I just be the best at doing it. Cause I'm fly and I'm bossy. And I taste just like a Hershey. Ooh, ow, pew, pew. It's been 15 minutes. You know, I'm hungry. The girl ain't got no work tonight. When you flies me, baby, they all want to be like you. Okay, let me go. Let's go over. Cause I'm boiling. I don't want nobody thinking I'm all broke chicken.
You got $1 for real? I need that drink.
You know I keep bank cards on deck, honey.
Okay.
You know.
I can't ask all that. I just want a drink. Please and thank you. So you gotta wait. I mean, I say because I get $1.
I don't think it's ready, but pick up. Yeah, he ain't take no name. I just came back around.
The 10 and the 7.
The 10 and the
6.
7. 10 and the 6. Yeah, you see how she was admiring my beauty?
Can you please give me a drink?
I will, but do you see how she was admiring this beauty? Huh? What's the sauce?
Ranch and hot sauce.
Ranch and hot sauce. You like my look?
Oh my god.
You like my look? It's Kurt, ain't it?
Oh
Kurt. You said I'm bad? Okay.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Don't tell her that. Can you give me some drink?
Yeah. Can I get another drink? Give me the card. Can I get another fruit punch? It was 1 or 2. Was it 2? Me too. Thank you. Period. Girl, I'm trying to tell you, baby. Trying to tell you. They love Kim Keisha. What up, bro? You could have been put your signal on, homie. Say
make sure my wrench don't fall.
Make sure your wrench don't fall.
Cause I'm bossy. Oh, look at that. That girl. Look at her. The sun comes from his stability. Look where that is. On the bike.
No. Slingshot.
Oh. Okay. Okay, signal.
You ain't even got
You
that
see
signal
that
on while
sign?
you talking.
You see that sun was complimenting the beauty, baby.
And you shedding, baby.
Ah, you not shit. Here, let's play a game. It's called Silence. When a bad baby come to your state, baby, you gotta be up there, like up there. I'm trying to tell y'all, the girl come around and be like, yes, yes. Okay, so let me tell you. So, it's this girl that work, right? Her name's Shaniqua. Bro, let me tell you. She is like so cool. Like, she's from Gary, right?
So that's why you acting like that.
No.
That's why you acting like that.
No.
You ain't linked up with somebody from your hometown.
No.
They got you.
No, let me tell you.
Wow.
You know this is, don't do
You
that.
could have just stayed there, bruh.
Let me tell you.
You could have stayed there with all that.
Let me tell you. We was talking, right? We was at the nurse station and we were just chilling and talking and whatever or whatnot.
And I feel like
So-
it's about to go totally left. But I'm going to listen because I feel like it's about to give me the answer to why you acting like this. Go ahead, proceed, please.
What are you talking about?
Just go.
Come on, Grandpa. Period. What you looking at? They ain't never seen $1 million like me. Hey. Wanna know how much I paid for these earrings? $10,000. Period. Who? Permanently. Anyway, y'all making my head itch.
Your head itch because that raggedy baby doll hair.
How much you want to bet? Let me tell you. How much you want to bet that I go out here and I get like 1 million compliments from everybody?
You want to know why? You want to know why?
Why? Because I'm that chick.
Like, you really give me a headache right now. Like, for real. I really wish you would stop. Like, what?
We gonna park over here? We gonna park right here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, kids. Okay, yeah. Watch out for them cars. Go with your sister.
Wow. I hope you don't plan on getting out.
Yes, I'm going over there to swing on them swings over there.
No, you're not.
What I tell you about that?
The same thing I've been trying to tell you, but obviously didn't work.
What? You really need to cut that out because
I'm about to get out with the kids.
no, you not. Let me tell you something. Look,
I'm not about to stay here and you acting like that, bro. That's embarrassing. Like, we done went through a whole line of everything. You acting like that.
did you see? I
I admire your beauty, baby, but this is not it.
What you mean? Come here. Let me
No.
talk to you. Let me talk to you, baby.
I don't got time to be sitting here playing with you, bro.
Okay, I'm not playing. Let me talk to you.
What?
I love you.
Like, I ain't about to be
Let me-
playing with you.
listen.
Like, why are you playing? You still playing.
I'm not playing. I'm talking to you.
Why are you so... Then you still loud.
Maybe because I'm trying to talk to you.
I can hear. We're like not even a foot away from each other.
You should have sat on this side so I could talk on my good side.
my God.
We vlogging, babe.
No, we're not.
Why?
Okay.
No. So if you get out, I mean I gotta get out.
You're not getting out,
Why?
bruh.
You wanna like to see how this sexy this girl? You that's what you wanna do? Okay. I understand. You could have just told me like 10 minutes ago.
Now you really done. Like, for real.
When that bad chick come in, the building like, hey. Babe, you gonna leave? Now you know like you ignore me now. You gonna make me get out.
What?
That's better.
What?
You gonna really leave me?
What do you want?
I want you to get in here so we eat my chicken.
What do you want?
Okay, so I just wanted to let you know one thing.
Stop playing, bro. Like,
What?
because you really embarrassing.
Baby,
And the bad part about it is, I'm glad we didn't go inside nowhere. But you embarrassed me enough through the drive-thru, bro.
This is not embarrassing.
Bro, you know what? Okay. No,
Okay, wait. One more thing before you go. It's a prank. It's a prank.
How is it a prank and you still look like that? Like, you sitting here telling me it's a prank and you still looking like that.
You don't think I'm cute?
Not at fucking all.
Let's ask somebody, do they think I'm cute?
No.
Let's ask one of these women. Hopefully they ain't haters. Alright, babe, it's a prank. I quit.
Okay, I'm glad you think it's funny too.
You didn't think I was cute not a little bit? Huh? That's how you feel? Babe, really?
Alright.
I don't see how people can do it. Oh, I could have word like this. Like, yeah, baby.
Okay.
I got my chocolate Latoya Lucky on. Hey.
Yeah, and this is over it. You
Alright,
no,
for
no,
real.
no.
You want me to quit for real?
I'm ready to eat.
You want me to get myself together for real?
I'm ready to eat.
Alright. One more thing. Woo! That was hot.
I'm ready to eat.
Period, poo. So, I got her good. Boo boo. She didn't like that. I was in the bathroom that whole time. I was like, when you walked out the door, I was like, okay, I got you.
I'm glad you took that wig off because I could look at you with some type of distance now.
Girl, let me tell you, that wig was hot. My dress was itching. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video with right here. So y'all like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button. Smash that bell. I mean, we'll see you the next video. Cause that was a good one. I liked that one. Alright, we out of here.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified anytime we drop another video.